Welcome to the lesson, Criteria for Evaluating Online Information. In this lesson, you will see how to evaluate online information using certain key criteria. Sunny is working hard on his college project. He is looking up various websites and using the content in his project report. He sends his project work over email. After a couple of days, he receives a rejection email from the college stating that his project work has false information. The rejection email states that some of the websites Sunny had referred to presented unverified reports and manipulated study findings. As a result, Sunny's project was rejected. Like Sunny, most of us have also fallen into the trap of believing everything on the internet. Just as there is a lot of credible and useful information available online, fake news and false information are also widespread online. Fake news is false information that is deliberately circulated through the internet to influence people. With more and more people taking to network with and get information from various others online, the spread of fake news is rapid and harmful for the society. Therefore, it is important to evaluate online information. An easy-to-remember method is to test the TRAAP criteria. T stands for timelines, or how recent is the information. The more recent the information, the more useful it is. Here's an example of how the timeliness criterion helps. Suppose you needed to pick up your friend from the railway station. To be able to reach on time, you will look for the train running status online to get the most current scheduled arrival time of your friend's train. The website or the application that provides you with the more current running status will be the most relevant source of information. R stands for relevance, or how useful is the information to us. Now, suppose the train schedule has been revised and actually your friend's train was expected earlier, but the website you had referred to had not received the schedule. Then, the information you had was actually of no relevance to you at all, as you would then be arriving late to the station. A stands for accuracy, or how truthful is the information. Often, this test is closely linked to the other A, or authority, which is who has put out the information. A credible source of information will make the information more accurate than others. If we continue with our train running status analogy, had you referred to the official website of the railways, you would have got the revised schedule and the most current running status. The final test is P, or purpose, which tests why someone has put the information on the internet. Only when the purpose is objective will the information be credible and useful. You may find some tour agents or operators also providing you with train running status. Their objective of putting out information would be to simply attract casual visitors to their website just like you, and then tempt you with attractive tour packages and promotional offers. In such cases, the information regarding the train running status may not really be current, relevant, or accurate. Thus, knowing the purpose also helps in filtering out the information. Using these key criteria, we can easily sieve out the amount of information available to filter out just the right information that we need. Sunny browses the internet and comes across a web page with a particular fact. He opens another internet page and verifies whether the same information is presented there. He clicks the link with the author and checks the credentials. Satisfied, he uses the content in his project report and submits the report. His project wins Sunny an award. Let us look at what we learned about Sunny's experience about evaluating online information before using the same. While the internet is a source for credible and useful information, it can be the source for fake news and false information also. An easy-to-remember method to evaluate information online is to test for the TRAAP criteria. T stands for timeliness, or how recent is the information. R stands for relevance, or how useful is the information to us. A stands for accuracy, or how truthful is the information. The final test is P, or purpose, which tests why someone has put the information on the internet. Using these key criteria, We can easily sieve through the amount of information available to filter out just the right information that we need.